I think to me, AI literacy is about making sure that everyone in the world understands this important technology that's going to be integrated into every facet of their lives. The adoption of AI is happening so quickly that there's the potential to leave people behind, especially communities that don't have access to the latest technologies. Could we leapfrog that gap and provide them with AI education, AI curriculum today to help them get to the point that we all want to be at to understand this new world? So Nvidia partnered with Iridescent because we were really impressed with how they were looking down the road at technology's impact on humanity, especially on communities, and actually giving those communities an opportunity to participate in technology development. The AI Family Challenge program is a multi-week course that immerses youth and their families all around the world in understanding AI, what it is, how it's used, and think about what problems in our community could AI solve for us. The number of countries that Iridescent has gone into with the AI Family Challenge and the positive response that they've received has just been, a sure sign for us that this is something that everyone around the world, even if they don't have access to AI, really understands the importance of it and is clamoring to work with it and to learn more about it. The thing that makes it interesting to continue working with Iridescent is the fact that they are so future focused and they're moving quickly, very similar to Nvidia in the way that we see, ourselves. Having a nonprofit partner like that is really helpful to be so aligned with the change that we want to make in the community and having a partner that can move as quickly as we can around that. We're hoping the work that Nvidia and Iridescent are doing together will serve as an inspiration to other companies and that they'll come on board to the AI Family Challenge. We need to all work together to make sure that our communities have access to such important technologies.